In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom sign-in email. If you've changed jobs, are consolidating inboxes, or just want a cleaner login, updating your Zoom sign-in email takes only a minute, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening the Zoom website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the page and click My Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all your personal settings live. Next, go to the Profile section. You'll see your basic details here, including your display name, profile picture, and most importantly, your sign-in information. Take a moment to make sure you're on the right page. The option we need is in this area. Now locate the Sign-in section. This is where your current sign-in email is displayed. Right beside it, you'll see an Edit option. Click that to start making the change. In the email field, type your new email address carefully. Double-check for typos. Small mistakes here can lock you out or delay verification. It's best to use an email you have ongoing access to, not a shared or temporary inbox. Also, note that if your account is set up to sign in with a third-party option like Google, Apple, or single sign-on, the email change process might be limited or managed differently. If you're part of an organization, some settings may be controlled by an administrator. To confirm that it's really you making this change, Zoom will ask for your password. Enter your current Zoom password. If you don't remember it, use the password recovery option shown on the page and come back to this screen once you've reset it. You may also be asked to complete a quick reCAPTCHA verification. Follow the on-screen prompt. Usually it's a simple checkbox or a short image selection. If it doesn't appear or fails to load, refresh the page and try again, and make sure browser extensions aren't blocking it. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Zoom may prompt you with additional on-screen instructions, and in many cases, a confirmation email is sent to the new address. Open that message and complete the verification to finalize the update. After that, the next time you sign in, use your new email. Your meetings, recordings, and settings stay the same. Only your login email has changed. If you run into permissions issues on a company-managed account, contact your administrator for help. And that's it. You've updated your Zoom sign-in email quickly and safely.